You've decided on the stunning faux wood plantation shutters. Now it's time to measure so you can order the perfect size. First, make sure you have these tools handy. For an inside mount, first measure the depth of the window opening. Go ahead and measure the width carefully in 3 places: the top, middle, and bottom. Then, note the smallest measurement to the nearest 1/8 inches. Next, measure the height of the window opening in the left, center, and right. Again, record the smallest measurement to the nearest 1/8 inches. For an outside mount, start by measuring the depth of the window opening. Then, use the largest measurement and then add 3 inches to the width. Then, add either 3 inches to the height without a protruding seal or 1.5 inches with a protruding seal. And there you have it. Get your new shutters from Blindster today.